My name is Sheldon Morris. I am the Sprinter Service Advisor at 3 Point Motors, and I've currently been here for just under 1 year.
A Sprinter van is a great addition to someone's business, whether it be you're transporting goods and services, or a tradesperson, or you just need a van to drive around and be a mobile advertisement. Lots of great ideas and great things you can do to convert the van, whether it be for personal use over the weekend and then a work van during the week. These vans are very modular and are very customizable. We do offer shelving upfitting through some of our partners. We can help facilitate that. So whether you're a plumber or an electrician or a carpenter and you need extra shelving or space to store things in the van, we can kind of help facilitate that and guide you in the right direction. So our Sprinter vans do have a lower total cost of ownership against the competition. Some of those factors that we look at are fuel. So diesel is more efficient, paying less at the pumps, and you're going further between fill-ups. The other elements are going to be service. So our vans only need service every 30,000 kilometers or every 2 years. Some of the competition, you're in for service a little bit more frequently, taking you off the road and taking you out of your busy workday.
It's actually a major cost savings against that competition.
The eSprinter is a great vehicle that's just been released. Some of the benefits of the eSprinter are obviously being an electric vehicle, you're going to have a lower impact on the environment, lower fuel costs with charging versus traditional diesel vans. So you'll be saving money along with better impact on the environment. The eSprinter gets an estimated range of 350 kilometers. Loaded up with payload, you could expect to see that go down by about 20%, so in the 300 to 320 kilometer realm, but it's based on driving style and how you use it.
Visit 3 Point Motors today for any of your service needs. We try our best to accommodate absolutely everybody to get you back on the road as soon as possible. Currently at the moment, we do offer service on the weekends, on Saturdays. We are looking at opening that up to further repairs and diagnostics in the near future. We do currently offer courtesy vans as well as vehicles to make the service transaction as smooth as possible and to keep your van on the road for an extended period of time and to minimize downtime.
Come on down, visit 3 Point Motors Victoria today. Come see how some of our vans can best fit you and your needs for a work van, and welcome to the family.